Hi, my name is Mike from Oveit, and today I'm going to show you how you can sell tickets online using Stripe. Once you register your account with Oveit.com, that's Oveit.com, as in love it, but without the L, you will find you have a free account where you can start a new event and sell tickets, accept payments directly into your Stripe account, and the cool thing about our starter plan is it doesn't cost anything unless you go above a threshold of 300 visitors. And that's where we start charging a small fee. But until then, everything you have to do is start a new event and add tickets. And when you press the new ticket button, you will see that you have an Activate Stripe integration here. And once you press this button, if you are logged in into Stripe, you will be automatically connected with your payment gateway, and we will process payments automatically and securely for you from your visitors to your account without any kind of interaction from us and any kind of fee if you're using our starter plan. So everything you need to do is press the Activate Stripe integration. This will take you to Stripe. If you're already logged in, you will see a agreement button, which allows Oveit to accept payments on your behalf. And if not, you will need to log in or start an account with Stripe. Once you do that, we will be able to sell tickets for you when you redirect your audience to your ticketing and registration page. Everything in terms of payment processing, financial management, invoice issuance, sending tickets is automated and handled by Oveit. Everything you need to do is just press the blue Activate Stripe integration button, and you can start accepting payments with Oveit and Stripe. Thanks. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on event registration and payments.